1:40. It's gonna be crazy to see what happens afterwards and how people act after the lockdown. That's gonna be interesting. But yeah, it is Monday. It's my day to cook. Sadly, I don't know what I'm gonna make, but I think a little chicken stew would be good. We haven't had that in a while. We've been having pasta, and oven baked chicken, and what else? We had beef stew, and we had chicken necks and gizzards and stuff. So yeah, we haven't had chicken stew in a long time. So I think I'll make some of that. Hopefully we have. That's my laundry from yesterday. I fetched it from the washing line. I have to come back and sort through it. And what do? Put it away? Yeah. So I'm wearing blue today. So I've been wearing blue for a while now. But my top is gray, so that's great. Huh? Get it? Great. Just kidding. Kidding, I'm sorry. Okay, we are going to put this on. Okay. Ready for my close up. Let's go have lunch. Because it is time. Let me actually publish today's video before I go downstairs and eat. That would be fantastic. So let's actually do that. Okay, you guys, so someone asked me to do a proper cook with me video, and I'm assuming they mean like one that I don't speed through, one where I actually show you what I use and how I cook the meal. So it's my day to cook today, luckily. They just asked this question, and I guess I'll just put it in the vlog, this vlog. So we're down here. I'm gonna set up and everything. It's not yet, well, it's 2:45. I usually tend to cook about 4 or 5. So I'll set up everything and then try and film that for you. Hopefully this works. But yeah, I think I'm gonna make like a similar meal to the one that she asked, like the vlog that she asked. I think I'm gonna make that same meal. So yeah, I think I'm gonna make a chicken stew, and I'll show you everything that I do and all that fun stuff. But for now, let's just take the chicken out of the freezer, and then we're gonna have our lunch, which is last night's dinner. So this is gonna be the chicken. I'm actually gonna defrost it, but let's take our dinner out first. Well, not our dinner, our lunch. So this is the lunch. I'll show you once it's not covered. This is like a cough mixture that my mom made. So I'm gonna have some of that. Okay, so here's last night's dinner. We have a tiny little drumstick and a thigh, and then we have potato wedges. Okay, so this is the spur sauce that we were supposed to get at the store. They didn't have any of it, like the shelf was empty. This is some of the chocolate that my mom made, I think 2 nights ago. So I'm gonna squeeze whatever's left out of here and then put some of this in just to kind of give these a little flavor, because I don't think she seasoned them at all. So I'm gonna watch some TV, and then after that I'll come cook. Hi everyone, so this is the cooking segment that someone asked for. Someone requested it in the comments today actually, and I'm going to make the same meal that I made in the vlog that they requested it under. So we're in the kitchen, as you can see, and I'm gonna try and film this for you. We do have our meat here. It is nicely defrosted, so we're just gonna put this here. I'm gonna grab an onion and chop that up. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to brown the chicken. I heard on the Food Network that this just helps the chicken retain more flavor. So I brown the chicken, which is just to sear it in the pan until the outside is mostly brown, or you can't see any pink anymore. So that's what I'm doing here. Once the chicken is browned, I'm going to fry up my onions in the same pot. So I fry those not too much, just to get them a little bit translucent. And then I add the chicken back, and then we're gonna spice the chicken. So the first spice that I'm using here is pepper. I love pepper, so I added quite a bit. The next spice is some coriander, dried coriander. I didn't add too much because it's really powerful and overpowering. So, and then this next spice that I'm putting in is chicken spice. And then we're gonna do some barbecue spice. Now we're doing some medium curry spice by Raja. And then obviously some paprika, because paprika is real nice. The smoked one from Woolworths, oh my gosh. Don't say I never did anything for you. And then lastly, we're gonna add some parsley. And then we mix it into the meat so that the meat is nicely coated. Then we push the meat to the side and add water, and then let it stew until the water has disappeared. Not all the way, just most of it. Now I have this other pot on the stove, and this is the pot I'm going to make my rice in. So I have water filled about one third of the way, and then I salted the water, and I'm making basmati rice. So you let the water come to a boil, and then you put the rice in, and then once it's cooked, you just push it to the side and let it vibe on the side. If you know, you know. So yeah. The rice was cooked here, and then we're gonna check on our chicken because we don't want that to burn. You can see the water has gone down a good amount. So once you think that enough water has disappeared, you can add a thickening solution. I use one of those packet soups by Knorr. Okay, so when you're happy with how your gravy is thickening, you can just take it off, and I'm just gonna plate everything right now. Okay, so here I'm just plating the food. I did start the dishing out process with some leftover rice that we had in the fridge because we don't want anything to go bad right now. And then I put the chicken on the plate, did some gravy, and then I forgot to put the salad in. So I covered all the food, and then I wrote everyone's name, and then I remembered the salad. So I opened up the food and put the salad in, and then covered it again. So this is the meal. It was so good. The chicken was so flavorful, but I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.